Let's take a look at how difficult this problem is. X to the fifth power plus 10 times x cubed plus 20 times x minus 4 equals 0. A quintic equation in one variable. When you see a problem like this, isn't the first method that comes to mind factoring? Right? Try to factor it. So what happened with Wei Dongyi? He spent 10 minutes and realized that factoring would not work. So what should he do? Wei Dongyi thought of a method, one that others could not come up with. What method did Wei Dongyi think of? He made an assumption. He assumed x equals a minus 2 divided by a, and then substituted a minus 2 over a into the equation. What kind of equation did he get? He got an equation in terms of a minus 2 over a to the fifth power plus 10 times a minus 2 over a to the third power, substituted in plus 20 times a minus 2 over a. Note, a minus 4 equals 0. In the end, he transformed the equation into this form. Why did he change it like this? Well, I don't know either. He just had a sudden flash of inspiration at the time. I have no idea what he was thinking. Then, after a flurry of operations on this equation, do you know what it was finally simplified to? It was reduced to a to the fifth power minus 32 over a to the fifth power minus 4 equals 0. The specific simplification process is very complicated, so let's not get bogged down in it. Anyway, that's how he ended up simplifying it. After simplifying it to this form, he then assumed, once again, that t equals a to the fifth power. He assumed t equals a to the fifth power, and then the original equation became t minus 32 over t. Minus 4 equals 0. Then he continued by eliminating the denominator. So it became t squared minus 4t, right? Since you multiply both sides by t, minus 4t, and then minus 32 equals 0. Right? You have to be careful when solving problems. Then he used the cross multiplication method. And since it's negative 4, this is negative 8. Isn't it negative 8 times 4? Cross multiplying, 8 times 4 is 32. So it fits, right? Then this is negative 4. And he got t plus 8 multiplied by t. Wait, t minus 8. Be careful when solving problems. Everyone, this is t minus 8. T minus 8, then t plus 4 equals 0. In the end, he got this result. Then for t, he solved and got two values. T is either equal to 8 or t is equal to negative 4, right? And isn't t equal to a to the fifth power? So he got a equals what? A equals the fifth root of 8, the fifth root of 8. And what else did he get? There's also the fifth root of negative 4. So he got two answers. A equals the fifth root of 8 and the fifth root of negative 4. Then he substituted this a back into x. Put a into this equation, and it becomes 8 to the fifth power, which is the fifth root of 8, then minus the fifth root of 8. Over 2, and then he also substituted the fifth root of negative 4 into it. In the end, after rationalizing the denominator and simplifying, what did he find? He found that these two answers, the fifth root of negative 4 and the fifth root of 8, after simplification, turned out to be exactly the same. So in the end, there was only one answer. X equals that value. You could say that only Wei Dongyi could solve this equation. No one else could do it. No wonder people call him the God of Wei, right everyone?